What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Nobody's talking about this right now, but the SHIB ecosystem is primed, and we're going to talk about it a little bit in this video. Let me turn down my air conditioner a little bit, and I don't know if you can hear that. My AirPod case broke, so that's why I'm not wearing those. But anyway, hopefully you're having a fantastic 4th of July long weekend if you're celebrating that. If not, love you guys regardless of where you are in the world. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to slap the like button, smash the like button, like the smash button, whatever you want to do. Just hit the like button for us. Subscribe if you haven't already. But, you know, my buddy Austin Hilton, we were actually just talking this morning. Now, listen, I know Austin already made a video about this, put it out there, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about it. And also, I'm going to give you something else to think about. Me and Austin were talking about this. We actually just recently invested a little bit more in Bone. Bone has been quietly killing it. And there's a reason why, because obviously it's the tie-in to the SHIB ecosystem. It's the gas token. In order to burn SHIB, it actually is going to be into Bone first and then into SHIB. A lot of things to love about Bone. Obviously, a lot of things to love about SHIBA INU too, with all of the things coming with Shibarium. And he talked about that in his update in his most recent video. But I also want to go out there and say, don't forget about Leash. Remember, Leash back in 2021 actually stormed to over nearly $9,000 per leash. At last check, it was sitting right around $300, which is crazy. Just earlier this year, it was up over $700. I think Bone and Leash have a lot of upside as we get closer and closer to the launch of Shibarium. A lot of us predicting and projecting, just kind of based on what Shytoshi's put out there. We got a lot of clues, a lot of hints. Probably sometime this summer. We're looking like August. At some point, maybe we'll see, right, if that comes to fruition. But I'm not only looking at SHIBA INU right now, I'm looking at the entire ecosystem. And again, it's Bone and Leash for me. Now, a lot more is going to be said about Treat. That's going to be the rewards token. I can't wait till we're actually able to use Shibarium, because it's all on us. It's on the community to drive these burns to new heights. We can do it. Literally, we are well over 1 million strong. We can utilize Shibarium when we transact. And as new people come in, we need to make sure they're educated. That's on me and all of us, but I got you covered. I'll be telling all the new people as we enter the new markets about Shibarium, what it brings to the table. But don't forget about Bone and Leash. Bone has been quietly moving up. Just earlier in June, it was at 68 cents in mid-June. Bone is creeping up, getting up there near $1, and absolutely loving that and some of those returns already. I think personally, Bone could be heading toward $2 easily ahead of the big announcement this summer, and then we'll see what happens from there. Leash, same thing. I think Leash can make a run upwards to $1,000. Remember, Leash is a very, very finite supply, right around 107,000. That's it, right? So when it's gone, right? And that is going to be scarcity, which drives positive price action. Bone, obviously, we mentioned what that looks like moving forward. So yes, a lot to look forward to. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.